So a lot of people are always asking how you put these things together. Well, this is the clock movement. Got the rubber washer goes on there. Come in from the back with this so that this part where you hang it from is up, pointing towards the top. We add a washer, a brass washer, and a nut. This is kind of tricky sometimes, but just patience. Hand tighten, and then I know I should be using a different tool for this. Just like a half a turn maybe. You can feel it because you can feel this should be able to move a little bit, but not where it's like really tight, because it might just stop the movement from working. So I did about a half a turn. And you start off with your hour hand that goes on here, and just use your two fingertips here and try to center it. Doesn't matter which way it's pointing, you can turn it. Okay, and you push it with your two sides evenly all the way till it bottoms out. Then you can put it to the 12. That's what I usually do. And then this one goes on, and you just push it on with one finger. You can feel it go on. Put it up to 12. Look from the side, make sure that they're not hitting each other. So there's a couple of millimeters distance between the two, and they're fairly straight. And then finally, last but not least, is the second hand. You put it in the middle and you just gently push it on. And then that's it. And then it's ready to go.